We're out here in San Marcos, California, Monday before the golf show starts at Hunter Industries corporate headquarters here, hosting the interactive facility tour, and we're excited to have a bunch of guests out today. So our facility tour is called Master Your Irrigation, and we want people to come away with hands-on knowledge from this experience. Golf course irrigation really is the lifeblood system of the golf course, and sometimes people take it for granted. So I hope this hands-on experience gives our guests some practical knowledge to take home with them and utilize on their golf course. So this took a whole team to pull off. Our Hunter staff all came together to help set up, but working directly with the GCSAA team months in advance. Then we have industry experts from Wes Hayner and Carmen Magro helping us with the presentations and different stations. So yeah, really a team effort to pull off an event like this.
We're going to talk about innovations in irrigation and understanding better irrigation practices for better turfgrass performance and sustainability into the future. It's come a long way since we've understood how to not only deliver water, but to understand the effects of the water once the irrigation's off. And Hunter, to their credit, and our industry has learned that what happens between irrigation cycles is far more important than what happens during the actual irrigation cycle. So I agreed to participate in this workshop to help educate the attendees at this year's conference and carrying that knowledge forward.
I like to get out and see how other people have done things. Just see what they're doing and seeing if we can integrate things into our own area that will make us more efficient and just make us be able to do our jobs better. It's super valuable. I'm a hands-on type of person, and I learned so much more by being out and doing something. Seeing how it's actually done works really, really well for me, and that's what draws me to this particular class.
If we can get everybody to think like the turfgrass and kind of see water needs from the turf's perspective, they'll understand a lot more that it's not about an adjustment to a sprinkler head. It's more about how that water is taken into the turf system and how it's utilized moving forward. More importantly, users from that perspective will learn how to better improve drainage practices, aerification practices, and how to use every little bit of water most effectively.
There's something we fight about across our entire country, it's water and the use of water. And if we can be leaders by using this data that we're learning how to do, we can help continue to be able to use water and save that water too.
It goes both ways. Our team will learn something that, oh, I didn't know they were trying to do this with the product, and maybe there's a training opportunity, but also then the end user can give feedback on what's a product improvement. We're always doing R&D and sustaining changes to improve our product and make it the best on the market.
Believe it or not, the wire tracing showed us a lot. We have these tools on site, but we were using them improperly. So it actually taught us how to use that tool properly so we can actually find and trace wire out on our site a lot better. Big thank you to the GCSAA for putting this on and continuing our education in this industry. Without them, I wouldn't be where I was today. I've been in this industry for over 26 years, and I've taken so many CEU classes through GCSAA, and it's helped me increase my knowledge and really helped me develop as a superintendent.
To find out more, go to hunterirrigation.com/golf.